What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Speedcube.co.nz YouTube channel. My name is Mike, and today we are bringing you the recap of the first Kiwi League match of 2021. It's Lucas O'Connell versus Adrien Auvray-Matyn. Now, I got cut off early at the end of this live broadcast, and I wasn't able to do the thanks I was going to. First of all, I just wanted to thank Liam for coming up with this whole idea and hitting me up to help him with it. Chris for hosting as well and for giving us some advice on format and all that kind of stuff. Adrien and Lucas for being really good sports and being our first competitors. Someone had to go first and it ended up being those two. And also tech support Tim G, who is hosting the stream on his computer. We found out pretty early in the process that my computer just wasn't going to cut it, so we needed Tim's big brain and big computer to help us actually pull this off technically as well, and Tim's been amazing. Also to Philippe, aka Laser Monkey, for allowing us to take his format and adapt it for a New Zealand only competition. We really appreciate it, and thank you so much for starting Monkey League. It's such a cool idea and we're really pleased to be able to expand on it. So yeah, this is one of two videos that I've put up today. This is a full unedited version. The other version is a much more cut down version. I'm interested to know what you think. If you have a preference over the full or edited versions, please hit us up in the comments below. After all, we're making this for you to watch, so I want some feedback about the format in which you would like to watch it, be that unedited or slightly more trimmed. The link to the other video will be in the cards. Anyway, enjoy this match between Adrien and Lucas, and we will see you in the next one.
I'll do intro stuff.
25.
I'll do intro stuff, okay? I got
it. Hey, okay, we're live. We should be. And people should be able to hear us.
Hello, everybody.
Right.
Hello, everyone.
All of us? That sounds a bit hectic.
Yeah, no, they can hear you guys.
Everyone?
Nice.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone.
Great. Can they see everyone or just me?
Yes, everyone should be able to see.
Hello, everybody.
No,
Yes,
no, no.
Welcome to
People hear
the
noises.
first Kiwi League
Good.
match.
People hear noise.
Yeah.
This is
I kind of want to open the Twitch stream.
shut up, Adrien. This is a bit of a mess right now, but I think we've got everything working.
Yeah.
Lucas forgot about the match and had to run to his
Nice.
friend's house and use his cube,
Let's
and he's
go.
got a dog. So let's see what's going on here. So we've got Lucas O'Connell, who let me just get my stats up on him. I have hidden
Game
them.
face. Nah, this is
Lucas
my
O'Connell, he is
Tim's
number
already
one
recorded.
for Kinch ranks in New Zealand. So he's a pretty solid all-rounder. He's also the current New Zealand national champion as well. And he is the NR single holder for 2x2, which is a very important achievement.
And then we have Adrien with a 7.51 official 3x3 average, the 5.84 New Zealand national record 3x3 single, and the 3x3 runner-up at Nationals 2019. It's been an
Yeah,
interesting
so
match.
Adrien finished the qualifier in 3rd seed, while Lucas finished in 6th. So Adrien should be the favourite here, but he's known to get nervous in competitions before, so we'll see how he holds up here. Lucas also has the disadvantage of using a cube he's never used before, and no longer having a dog on his lap.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna get things started.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Who's going first, Adrien?
Yeah, Adrien will go first. People will alternate, so we'll have Adrien going first, and Lucas going second, etc.
Alright.
Yeah, so the scramble's there.
So we're starting now.
Yeah, we'll start now.
Okay, so Adrian's going to be starting it off here. The way this format works is they take turns and solves. So generally, the person who solves second has a bit of an advantage because they can kind of tell how safe or so they need to go in the solve. Because if, say, Adrien gets an 11 now, Lucas knows that, he can kind of chill out and go safe on the solve and
should I
just
show
get
you?
a 10 or something.
Yeah, I've scrambled. Yeah. Oh wait, white, green.
So the format
Can you not see it?
is 6 out of 50.
Right.
So the
Wonderful.
first to 25 solves wins apparently, but it should be first to 26. So Tim's made a mistake there.
You ready?
Yep.
Pretty sure.
Tell me when you're
Maybe
ready.
not. I guess it's
Adrian's
first
starting
25.
his first
Whatever.
solve. He's gonna
Even
fold.
I don't know the format. Okay. Looks like he's hasn't decided on a color yet.
8
Maybe he's going
seconds.
for white here.
So white.
It looks like he's going for white. With a locky cross. Okay, finished after a reasonable pace.
good
Into
ball
a
player.
pretty fast U-perm and not a bad solve. That was, I think it was a 783.
733.
Oh my
33.
god, how am I
That's
supposed
pretty
to
solid
beat
start
that
by
on
Adrien.
this cube? Alright.
Lucas is dreading going against Adrien in this match because
Alright, Tim,
Adrian's
just let me know when
known
to
to be a
go.
bit
Yep.
faster than
Let me know
Lucas
when you're
at
ready.
Alright. Yeah.
Yep.
Because of Lucas's setup, he is currently not using a stack map because he's at his friend's
8
house.
seconds.
And the way his webcam's set up, he can't really have it on the table with a cube cover.
A bit low.
A bit low. We'll get him to change this angle
Yeah,
so we can actually see solve.
Ah, sorry, I stopped it
Tim,
with in my hand as well. Yeah.
No worries. Hey, Tim, can you
No, like it won't go any further.
just tell him
Like,
to move
Yeah.
back?
Or something, yeah.
Could you not see it? Okay. I'll just hold it
Is
higher.
Oh.
Wait, can they hear me? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll hold it higher.
Yep, the scramble looks right.
Oh wait, I'll scramble.
You should probably say whose scramble looks right. Or is it just
Can you see the
both of
cube now?
us?
Yeah.
Like here.
Yep.
Yep,
both
so
of us?
Lucas is going
So
first. because
Lucas
we're
will be
I
going
am.
first.
I'll show
in
you
the
the
solve.
scramble.
Wait, what? But we're already alternate.
Yeah.
Yep, Lucas,
Ah,
that
okay.
looks about right.
Alright. Alright, ready? 3,
Yep.
2,
Tell me when
1,
you're
go.
ready.
Okay, Lucas starting the second solve now. Currently, Adrien is winning 1-0. Cool to see if
8
Lucas
seconds.
can pop off a couple of times.
Go a bit low.
Still a bit low, so we can't actually see the solve. Sounds a bit slow at the moment. Oh, he's lifted it up.
Oh, lucky.
Alright.
I'm
Sweet.
pretty lucky there.
Oh, was it? Okay, sorry.
Okay, Adrien,
Oh,
tell me when
so
you're ready.
good.
Yeah.
Right, I'm just excited to see what sort of time
Sorry.
Adrien
8
manages
seconds.
to get. Because he's been popping off a bit today. He got like a PB average of 6.05, and he got a couple of full step 4s as well. So it'll be cool if he can get those similar times in competition. His solve doesn't look great, but it's fine. He only had to beat an 11, so I think 8.5 there from Adrien.
Damn.
Damn.
To beat Adrien, maybe. Alright, Adrien goes first again, right? Yeah.
Okay, so Adrian's currently 2-0. Be interesting to see if he can 25-0 Lucas. Probably
so I'm
not,
starting,
but
Yep,
it'd be
tell me
kind of
when you're
funny.
ready.
What's your predictions on the score at the end of this match, Liam?
I'm thinking Lucas could win a couple of them. Because I don't think Adrian's going to get like pure sub 9 or whatever necessarily. But I think Lucas could win a few.
Ooh.
But I think Adrian's got it in the bag already.
Looking nice.
That was pretty
Did
good.
he just do a wide T-perm
6.7.
A-perm and still get a 6.7?
He always
I
uses
think
that.
he just did. Jeez.
I think him
This
and Jeff
man's
could
nutty.
use that.
What?
It's
Alright,
good that Lucas has to beat
is it
him.
my turn now?
Tom Nelson will put $25
scramble.
on Lucas winning at
Looks
least
alright.
one. Oh,
Alright,
that green looks
I'm
nice.
ready. Yep.
Yeah, I reckon Lucas will win 4 solves. That's my prediction.
I'll go with 5 or 1 up you.
Oh, okay, you're going up. Hey, we can actually see the solves this
Yeah.
time. Doesn't look too bad. Massive pauses.
Yep. Alright, Adrien wins.
Three
Hold up, the
nil.
mouse just died, I think. Oh. Yeah, I can't. Oh no, I got it. All right, there you go. Sweet. All right. Yeah. So is that it?
So Lucas is currently
Didn't Adrien just win?
yet to get a sub 10. So hopefully he can get one soon. Otherwise, this match is going to be pretty one-sided. Right, it's going to be Lucas starting on this solve. Let's see if he can get something good. So at least Adrien will have to try a little bit.
What's happening now?
Oh, I am. Sorry. I thought Adrien was. All right. Yeah. That looks right. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Looks like blue cross is happening here. I think. Oh, yellow
Looks
cross.
like yellow, actually.
Yeah.
This solve's actually looking alright. There we
Yeah.
go.
It's like an 8 or something.
866. Okay. Adrian's might get a little nervous on this solve, knowing that he's actually got to beat a reasonable time. Let's see how well he can hold his nerve.
Yeah.
Okay. He's looking at a yellow cross at the moment by the looks of it. Scramble looks okay. Can't really see anything at the moment. Okay.
But
Decent cross, bit of a pause afterwards.
pretty good.
Oh, okay, no, he's
Good
okay,
luck,
he's
player.
okay. There we go, that's a 7.5-ish? 6.6.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oliver Jinx. Okay, so Adrian's
Right.
still at 4-0.
Yeah, he's got a pretty good average of 5 going right now. So Lucas, yeah, it's not looking good for him.
Oh, I need to show.
So Adrian's going to be starting this off. As I said before, going second has a bit of an advantage because you can kind of
You ready?
use the information given to you by the other person's solve. Because you're allowed to watch the solve if you want to, so you can use that to help with your solve as well. So it is an advantage to go second.
There's red cross on this one.
Yellow actually.
Oh, I was holding it like that.
That was a lot of moves for the last 2 pairs. Oh, and a bit of lockup on the G turn. 779, so that's solid solve.
And then I
Definitely
realized
beatable.
like, when I had my hands on
I
Lucas.
think that's like a
That's as well.
7.3 average of 5 there. So pretty solid from Adrien to start off the match.
I got it. Yeah. Cool. Yep. All right. Yep.
And we're back to not seeing the solve. Oh, never mind. He's going for a blue cross. Decent allow into an old VPerm. Lucas, get out of 2018 and learn that new VPerm. He's actually doing alright now, though. He seems to be
Yeah, he's
doing alright.
definitely improving now.
Is that the end? What? Until what?
We probably should.
You do
Probably
25.
No,
Alright.
it's not until 25 souls. No, it's
Sweet.
until 25
See if I can get
wins.
1 in.
It's 25 wins.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Sounds good.
So apparently Lucas didn't know the format. Yeah.
Lucas starting.
He's doing some blind
I am.
comms to
Yeah,
get his no good.
Yeah.
Yep, ready.
Right. Red cross from Lucas. Looks like a pretty lucky F2L, but with bad timing and recognition.
Yeah,
Pretty lucky OLL into a 904. So yeah, Lucas is definitely doing reasonably good now. He's had 8-6, 8-3, 9-0 in the last 3 solves, so he's definitely warmed up a bit. But it's still not good enough to beat Adrien at the moment.
I didn't realize I was starting. Yeah, I'm ready.
Right. Adrien on a 6-0 here. He's looking to get 6-0 in the match. Looking like he's going for a yellow cross also. Or red.
Red cross on this one. Pretty good F4.
And a solid PL, I like.
7.4.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 741 for Adrien last solve. Pretty solid. He's been consistently doing sub-8. He's only had one solve slower than 8 seconds so far, and all of the other ones have been around mid-7 or faster. Another T-perm, A-perm. 654.
Wow.
That's going to give him a sub-7 average of 5, I
Alright.
believe.
I look right to you.
Very impressive.
Tim? Alright.
Isn't it very hard for Lucas?
Yep.
How long until Lucas wins his first solve then, Liam? What after this? Did he just do M2 to M2 in the class? Oh, this solve's looking alright. Oh, he did know the ZBLR. Very impressive.
Like here. Where?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey Chris, what are your predictions on this first one?
I am, yeah.
I
I
got
think he's gonna get it on the 11th solve.
11th, I got 12. Okay. Pretty good.
That look good.
Alright, Lucas is gonna be solving first this time.
Alright, ready.
Loving the pink headset from Lucas right now. He really rocks it. Looks like he's got painted fingernails as well.
Yeah, I think he had better fingernails at Nationals, I remember.
Oh, quite a lot of posters.
Yeah, 9 or something, probably.
When he gets to last layer, he seems to lift the cube up higher. So we always get to see his last layer. We don't always see his F2L though. It's a weird habit he seems to have. Or maybe he just gets the last layer and remembers to put the cube in frame.
Yeah, are you ready? Yeah? Wait, can you still hear me?
So 8 plus 168, so he should have no problem with it. Doesn't seem to be feeling any nerves at the moment, so going up pretty well. Very cross for Adrien here. We have a long cross. We might have been doing some keyhole stuff.
Oh.
Mind.
That was a really nice last layer. 6.9.
Hey.
Seeing a lot of sub-7s already.
His current mean is like 724. That's impressive for 8 slots.
So I'm going first again. Oh, not again. First.
Quite a long inspection. Still quite nice. I think another 6 here anyway.
Same
6.98. It's hard the last one.
It's popping up. I'm gonna get worried.
Alright, it looks right.
If I win my
Fuck.
first match against him,
I already. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Go
Go.
against Adrien.
I'll be if we both win our respective quarterfinals match, then we'll be facing each other in the semis because we were second and third seed. Solve's looking okay. Oh, never mind. He messed up cross. Lots of pauses from Lucas in this game, Solve.
Not bad.
1193. I thought I was a bit slow.
Not true. Alright. Looks good.
Alright, what did I say? Before the 11th solve, he'd get a win.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
So he's got a couple of souls to prove me right. Otherwise, I'll be very disappointed in you, Lucas. Ooh, the souls looks good. Might be an easy scramble though.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Very nice. I think that was a
How are you
7.
going to do this one?
70,
Okay.
okay. There's a chance he wins the solve, but his start looks pretty fast, so I reckon it might be an easy scramble.
Yep.
Yeah, possibly. Let's see if Adrien does get another 6.98 on this one.
Okay, the scramble's not too easy, so I just had a look at it right now.
It does look quite nice though. I think.
Oh my goodness! That was
6.5. 4 sub-7s in a
Adrien
row.
needs to
Insane.
He's currently got the top 7 average of 5 again. So stop losing that.
We get sub-7 here, it's pure sub-7 after 5 in the last 5 cells.
Yeah, he's gonna mess up in the
I think this might be a 7 or an 8 this time. 7.2.
729.
Still a very nice
got
average.
this. I believe.
Alright.
I believe in the Ocon.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Hasn't solved this. It's gonna be pretty embarrassing if he doesn't even get one.
This is pretty good.
That looked like
No
an easy
one.
solve.
6, he wasn't not far
Oh.
away.
762. So close.
That can definitely happen.
Oh, really? I was holding it pretty high that time.
Yeah, Chris.
Loving the
At least it felt like it.
So now,
Alright.
What's that, Liam?
this one was what I
Yeah.
predicted for his first one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, I go. It's my turn now, right?
Very disappointed that wasn't sub Adrien, because that would have been a perfect
Yeah.
prediction.
It would
Yeah.
be amazing.
Alright.
I mean, so
3,
clutch.
2, 1. Yep.
So this is when I predicted that he would get his first one. So let's see if that happens. Seems like
See
a
what
quite
chat's talking
nice
about.
scramble.
Family Chatterbox. Oh, he paused for the entire history of the universe for that first pair. Rest of the solver's been alright though, although he still is using that old V-perm.
Can
Man
8
needs to
keep on
change his
for Adrien
ways.
to beat on this one?
Okay, this is doable. Well, this is losable for Adrien. He has got one solve. Oh, yeah, okay. Never mind. He hasn't got a solve slower than that the entire session. But there's a first for everything. Taking a while to find his cross. Looks like he's settled for a white cross here. Expecting for around 8 seconds. Ooh, very fast first two players, and
really
this isn't
nice.
looking like. Ooh,
7.5.
they have a DD prime G going on there, but still 7.4. So Lucas still isn't winning a solve
It's
yet.
like the most consistent I've been
I think
a long time.
pretty sure Mike predicted that Lucas would get a win in the first 15 solves. So let's see if that
Okay.
happens.
It's 3 more chances.
Yeah, exactly. Surely Lucas does the next solve with blind method.
I don't know which side is green. Did I miss scrum? That's right.
Okay, Adrian's gonna be starting here.
Yep.
Scramble looks average. Looks like he's going for an orange cross. Probably a good choice looking at this. Decent cross. Ooh, bit of a lock up on the first pair. All round, pretty good extra. And ooh, bit of a lock up on the PLL. 837. Okay, this is beatable for Lucas.
This is definitely beatable.
He's got this.
Touch one.
Yeah.
That's
good.
Adrian's second worst
Cool.
solve in the entire match so far.
Cool.
So
Yep.
it didn't look like a great scramble, but I'm sure Lucas can still pull out an 8.37 if he keeps his recognition up and he doesn't turn too badly.
Yes, Lucas is 2
It's actually
souls so far faster than that. It's definitely possible.
Yeah, exactly. Decent so far.
It's quite nice.
Very decent. Ooh, last pair was a bit rough.
Oh, no.
Nah, not looking for 8.3. So close though. 952. Lucas,
Quite close
let
to
it be down.
Oh.
There's a couple of solves a few solves in a row where he's had a reasonable chance, but he still
I
hasn't
might have
quite
done a move
capitalized on
accident.
Adrian's poor solves. Although 8.3 isn't that poor of a solve, to be honest. Like he's consistently like sub 8. Like he's only had 2 sub 8-second solves. Everything else has been 7 or 6, which is very impressive. No 5s yet though, which is disappointing. But hopefully we'll see one soon.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Hey, Lucas starting with this solve now. Decent start. Ooh, this solve's looking pretty nice so far. Already on to last layer. Very nice. Into a U-perm. That's a 7.
8.4.
Never mind. It's 8.45.
You can definitely win with
Not
this
bad.
one.
Definitely. Adrien seems to be slowing it down a bit now, with an 8.3 and a 7.4 in the last couple of solves. He's kind of slowed down after his 6th streak, so we'll see what happens now. What are your guys' predictions in the chat for the final score? I'm saying I'll move into 25-2 now, I reckon. Bit of a lock still from Adrien. I think this might be the solve Lucas wins. I think it's the solve. What was that? It was too blurry. I couldn't see it.
7.7.
Oh no! 7-7.
Very,
I was so locked up to
Sorry.
the 7.
I predict
No.
that. Wait, that's 26. So I predict Adrien to get 26, let's get 2. I said 5 before, but now it's changed a bit.
I'm pretty sure it's first to 25 because that's what we're going off because that's what it says on the overlay.
Okay,
so
yeah, let's do 25.
what we've got to go
I'm
to.
ready.
25-3, 25-0, 25-1, 25-1. Most people are thinking that Lucas is going to at least get one solve. Which, yeah, I believe him. 25-2, I reckon he's going to. It's solve from
25-0
Adrien.
to
Bit of a
Lucas,
lock up
success.
or a 4. Ooh, very solid last layer. The turning was perfect there. A bit of a pause to recognize the end perm, but still a solid solve. What was that time? 7:40. Okay.
Hello?
25-0 to Lucas.
Right, Lucas.
Pretty sure we're past that point now, Alex.
Alright. Yeah, ready.
So everyone's predicting either 0 or like 1, 2, or 3.
I
Yeah.
can turn my camera back.
I'll
on
go
and
with
off.
2. I think Lucas is pop off at the end. I think Adrian's slowing down a little bit, but he is coming back.
Yeah, he-
Himself. Low 7s.
Ooh. Pretty poor third pair from Lucas. And another old V-perm. Lucas, what are you doing?
Oh, taken.
Just as you said, Lucas was doing better. To be fair, he's been consistently getting sub 9 for the last 6 solves or so, but then that tends kind of ruined that.
What are your predictions on the best times of anyone in this?
I reckon Adrian's gonna get a 5 before his time. It's probably gonna be like a 596 or so.
I predicted another 584.
Number 584, okay. Good call, good call. I respect it.
Oh, true. Sorry.
So,
Yeah, I thought I heard that. Tell me when you're ready. I
Jim's
thought
getting a
Adrian
bit
was going.
confused about whose self it is, but that's alright.
Alright. Yeah,
It's all good.
cool. Ready.
So I believe next week's match will be me versus Finn, and then we'll have the match that's going to be this week after.
Listen,
Oh, that's alright.
867.
Okay. Come on.
Adrian still hasn't had many.
Come on, Adrian. Mess up. Come on.
yeah.
Yeah, Adrian's still got any nerves or anything either. So
No, he really hasn't. I mean, that's fair enough, because he's pretty substantially faster than Lucas. So.
yeah, I'd say he has some of the best nerves officially as well. Considering he did have the 584 in his head finals.
Yeah. It's all looking alright.
Look at it.
I don't think it's going to be an 8.
7.1.
7, 10.
Okay.
There goes my prediction. New prediction. 25, 26.
25,
Take
26.
it. Back to end. We come back. I sell the movie rights for Heat.
So Adrian's gonna get 24 and then Lucas get 26 in a row. That's how it works. That'd be the biggest comeback ever. Starts
I
winning
really
every
would. Looks like Adrian's doing Memo right now because he's got all the fingers on the pieces. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh,
6.3 probably.
I'm pretty sure he could have done
6.98.
YouTube. He could have got a 5 there. I'm pretty sure he could have got a 5 there. I think he did. He had.
Alright.
He had this, and
Cool.
he did
Ready.
that into UPerm instead of doing this in the back. So I don't know, we'll have to rewatch that, but I think he might have made a mistake there. What's this over from?
Not so soon, it's been pretty good. Yeah, Lucas is getting a lot more like 8s now than he was before.
Yeah. A bit more consistent, but still doesn't have that win.
Yeah.
He still doesn't have that one win.
Might be a bit of a short match here, but it's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucas is going to be solving
Cool.
first.
Ready.
Seems to be averaging about mid-8 at the moment, so he's going to go into his inspection. Looks like he's going for a yellow cross now. I don't think he's planning his first pair because he doesn't usually do that. Okay, yellow cross. Pretty solid so far. A bit of a lock-up on the second pair there. Oh, and he's already on to the last player, and he gets 3 twisted corners, and he just assumed you firm, so pretty decent.
7.6.
7.6. Okay, this might be the solve.
Might be a...
Sadly, he didn't know an out for the 3 twisted corners, but honestly, just doing soon in UPerm is pretty fast. Okay. Looking to beat 762. Honestly, because his fastest solve, but it's not his fastest solve. Tied fastest solve so far. Ian's looking alright though. Oh, he blocks up! Oh, he's lost it!
Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah. No way. That's crazy.
He did it
I
for
did
us.
it.
Let's go. 2010.
Hey,
He was doing alright, and then he locked
Why
up
not,
on his
Adrien?
double down PL and he ruined it. Wow. Okay, one more solve, and then my prediction will be right. Well, at the start, I think it said 25-4, but I changed it to 25-2. So
I'm going 25-2. Damn. Okay, we have the same prediction.
great minds think alike. Okay, Adrian's going for his 19th solve now, I believe. Pretty terrible second pair. He had a bit of a pause, but no, he's still doing alright. Lucky OLL into a
Oh.
okay, if you like. 8.7.
Maybe Lucas could just take your mace. Yeah, it's like
Lucas
25.
takes 2 in a row? Surely.
Surely Lucas 25 in a row.
already.
maybe not 25, but I reckon he can get a second one in a row. 8.7 is very big for what Lucas is doing at the moment. I don't know if he's seen the time that Adrien got. Ooh. Oh, nah, this isn't looking like a sub 8.7. Ooh, maybe. Maybe. I think that's like a 9.70.
9.3. Okay.
Yeah, let's do some pointing. He had a few
Damn,
lockups there,
my
which
one
kind
solve
of
win
lost
streak
it
is
for him,
dead.
but- Oh, bad
Yeah,
solve
yeah.
in general.
Wait, Tim, are you muted to the stream? Okay.
Yes, if you guys who don't know, Tim
Okay.
is the guy streaming this,
Me.
firstly, and he's also judging, so he's
Alright,
doing people's
I'm ready,
inspection. But you guys
So no
might
one
need to
started
just so
inspection.
there's less crowd at the moment, so you guys can hear us and the solvers better. No, the competitors cannot hear Liam and I. They have got us muted, so all they will hear is the judge, which is Tim. Ooh, bit of a lock up on the PLL there, but not an awful.
10.3.
10 point. Okay, an awful solve. Honestly, I'm just glad Lucas has got a solve at this point. Like,
Yeah, I mean,
at least he can walk away with his head high. Ooh. Look at some fancy stuff there. Not sure what that was. But like the right OLL.
8.4.
844. Yeah, Adrian's falling off now. He's having
Yeah,
an 8.
I think 8s now.
3 hits in a row.
Looks like they're both getting slightly worse at the moment.
Yeah.
That might be wrong.
No, that's not a miscramble. That's not a miscramble.
Okay. It might have been wrong. I'm going for it.
Okay, 20+ solve here. Luke's doing a bit of blind practice right now. Lucas. I don't know what to say. White cross. Not a great cross there. He kind of hesitated before putting the last pair out. He finished the F12 still pretty fast. Looked like a PLL skip to us, but
yeah, it did. 738.
Adrian's getting really consistent last layers. He's just doing OLL PL,
Right.
but with kind of like max park recognition and TPS. So
Cool. Ready.
he's doing pretty good. It's exciting to see him actually like perform well in a competition. Like we all know that recently he hasn't done so well in 3x3 at official competition.
Yeah, I really want to get in our average at some point, Like he's been so close so many times.
What he's got in his YouTube series, he's got part 5 to NRFAL. So he's planning on coming to South Island Championships in April, right?
I'm not sure. I think he might be coming to Taranaki as well.
Yep. Hold on.
Let me check
The
if
dog
he's
just
registered.
walked in again. Both of them did.
Dog. Oh my god, look at the dog, guys. Come on, that dog is beautiful.
Alright.
Oh, you can't see on stream. This is so sad. You saw it earlier, though. It's alright.
Yeah, if Adrien does go to Taranaki
Yeah.
at South Island Champs, he has like 5 chances for average, which is really good.
Right.
He should-
Wait,
he
am
should
I
be able
ready?
to
Am I
get
good to
it.
go?
Yeah, his official
I'm
average
just hoping
is 750, and our average is 750. So there's a-
Ready.
Adrien is going to Taranaki. I've just checked.
Oh,
So he's got 2 rounds next,
is he registered?
and then hopefully, yeah, he's registered.
Oh, so I'm not top 3 in Scoob anymore.
I'm predicting that Adrien will have a sub 7 official average by the end of the year.
That's definitely possible, actually. Yeah. I mean, he's shown he definitely can already in this match.
He's free from Lucas. Another decent solve for him. Close the door because he is not leaving it wide open for Adrien on this solve. Bit of a Monkey League reference for you guys. Okay. Everything's going for white plus. Ooh. Alright. Pretty inefficient to well.
It could be a high 8. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
That's different.
7. Okay.
Can Lucas get another win in this? Make our prediction true.
Yeah, I believe. 23rd solve. This is the solve. He gets it.
23rd time the job.
That is how the thing goes, right? Okay, Adrien first. He's in the bowl as the cube cover. Very meta. Okay, yellow cross here. Ooh. Very good first 2 pairs, but kind of lacking on the third one. Still an amazing last leg. It's a 629. Fastest solve of the session. Yeah, that is PB for the match.
Oh wow. Okay.
If he had a better recognition on the third pair, that definitely could have been sub 6, but it's a solid solve.
Ready.
Perfect turning and recognition on the last layer there. Lucas gets a 46 for right now.
628 for Lucas. Here we go. It seems quite nice. I think it's good.
Yeah. Wait. I was reading.
Okay, 2 more, or 3 more if Adrien does win. This last one. But Lucas kids this
Yeah.
quad another.
Cool. Ready.
Yeah, I believe. 2 more solves in the match, guys. Or, well, maybe more. Maybe 27 more solves in the match. Who knows? Just 24. Lucas wins the next 24. Easy peasy.
Nice.
Ooh, that was
8.03.
nice. The transition from OLL to PLL was flawless for him there.
Well, it looks like Adrien is going better again.
Come on.
They
Come on,
can get-
Adrien. Mess up. Come on. Gotta give another win to the underdog Lucas here. Oh, what is this solve? Oh,
I think I'll still sub it.
is that?
748.
Oh.
Lucas has 2 more chances there until the match is over.
It's 1 more, isn't it? Oh no, 2 more because he's got 1. So
Yeah.
You haven't even checked my scramble. Shaking. Ready.
Hey Liam, do you reckon Lucas is gonna get 1 more win in the last couple of solves? Or is it just gonna be a 25?
He's gonna get he'll beat it by like 0.02 on the very last one he needs.
0.02 on the very last solve.
Oh, really?
You know there's a deal out? Oh!
I'll do
Zero
that.
bits.
Still got 6.6 in the massive form. Oh.
Like a 2-second pause for recognizing
It was
that.
zero.
That could have been a 5.
What do you think?
Cool. Ready.
Definitely in a 5.
Alright, Lucas beats the solve. Okay. Pretty far so far. Oh, bit of a pause on that third pair there. Ooh. Each one was a little bit lucky. 10.1. Okay.
It's 24
is
to 1
match-
now.
Oh, is that it? 25.
Match point for Adrien. He wins
That's
this.
more.
Oh. Surely Lucas
Wait, what?
gets 20.
Ah, so 1 more then. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I go first again, right?
Right, so you predicted that Lucas would beat Adrien
Yeah.
Solve on this one by 0.02.
Cool. I'm
right?
ready.
Yes.
Lucas is going first. Potentially will last over the match.
Oh, I'm going. Yeah.
Solid. Oh, he messed up cross. This isn't looking good. Oh, and a lock up on the last
I
pass.
might need to take my prediction there.
Well,
Unless Adrien gets an
That's
11
gonna
over
be
I think
4.
that's the end.
2. I think that's gonna be it. We're pretty embarrassing if Adrien loses this solve of all
I'm
solves.
ready.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if it's at the
Adrien's
time,
definitely
so
got this.
you might just full speed and get a DNF or something. I don't know. You can dream. It looks like he's taking it pretty slow.
Yeah. Take it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Adrien wins
Adrien.
the first match.
He's win it
What
25
was
to
this one?
1. So
Oh.
a bit one-sided.
Cool.
So
That's
Adrien
it,
738
right?
mean and Lucas 934.
Solid
25.
mean from Adrien, right?
So I know some people did predict that partway through.
25 to 1. Yeah, halfway through there was a few people who said 25.
Yeah.
What's going on?
So yeah, should we do some post-match interviews? So Tim, can you tell them to unmute us, and we'll do we'll chat with them for a bit.
Oh yeah.
Unmute everyone.
Wait. How do you get?
We're gonna what? Swap over to the interviewer screen.
Yes. Let's go.
Wait. Yeah.
My
Wait, let me
shine
just
Right,
unmute
Adrien,
everybody.
how did you feel
Liam's
that
still
match went
muted.
for you? You kind of had a few bad solves, but you were pretty consistent throughout the
Yeah,
whole thing.
yeah. I
Right,
don't
I still can't
usually. I
hear
don't usually.
Chris.
I don't.
I can't
I
hear
don't usually
anybody.
ever.
What?
What's going on?
This is not good.
Tim, are you okay? Okay. I'm usually not this consistent, so I mean, yeah, I was doing better than I used
Hold up.
Yeah.
somewhat.
You had a period in
Wait,
the middle
is
where I think you
Adrien
had
still
4 sixes
muted?
in a row and ended up getting like a mid-6 average of 5. So that was definitely cool to watch. It was a shame you didn't manage to get a 5 though. I was rooting for that 5.
Yeah, I don't know. I was kind of expecting to get a 5, but I mean, I guess 629. I think.
Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Tim's having a few issues on the technical side right now, but I think it's going alright. You
So
guys
what do you
been
think
able
of
to hear
Adrien's
Adrien
Lucas?
throughout that interview, or do we have to do it all again?
I
Oh,
have
did no one
idea
hear
what's
that?
going on.
Yeah,
This is a bit
neither do
chaotic.
I. Yeah, it looked like your last layers were very good. Like throughout the whole match, your turning and recognition for like OLL PLL was like insane. So that was cool to see. You had quite a lot of pauses in some of your F2 solves, but apart from
Yeah.
that, it was good performance.
Yeah. CRS3 at my
Oh,
time.
no, what happened?
Lucas,
I'm in Lucas' spot
oh,
now.
Lucas is still here. He's just got his video up.
Oh, there you go. There we go.
Go on.
Tim's going insane right now.
Lucas is killing Tim.
Right, Lucas, what did you think of your performance in that match then?
Well, I met my goal, which was win 1 round.
Yeah.
I'm pretty proud of that. Yeah,
Good job.
that's about it.
Had it, yeah.
Yeah.
It seems to be like throughout the middle of it and the end as well. You seem to pick it up a little bit and average like at least up 9. You had
Yeah.
a bit of a rough start you definitely got a few good solves in there.
Yeah, I needed to get used to this. Like, I don't even know what it is. Like, old UM from like 2016 or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Overall, it's not too bad. I mean, I was kind of expecting it, but yeah.
Well, thanks for joining in Kiwi League. It was cool
all
having
good.
you.
Thanks for
We
having
will
me.
see you in the next season if there is one.
Yeah, sweet. All right, see ya.
So yeah,
Bye.
that's it for the first Kiwi League match. Oh. Tim, what are you doing?